as a group, we see what happened yesterday. In fact, I was moved to tears where I had to abandon everything I was doing. That how could that be? That Miranda will resign and not even another person in the match. The same person that the house said that what was a disappointment to the house will now be announced again as Speaker of that. It was a show of shame to us as a group.
So you call it a show of shame.
Yes.
But I call it Baba Sokpe crazy. So, you know, before you came on here, I was singing a song. It's a Yoruba song. What it means is, there's nothing you can do about it. Because even you people calling yourself the Renaissance Group enjoy the same hegemony in Lagos. That's your bona fide. So today is as if you are trying to go against the Baba Sokpe crazy, which you've been roundly crushed and roundly beaten, and he's asserted his authority. So why do you feel ashamed now?
As far as we are concerned, we are not aware of Baba Sokpe. I'm sure the Baba was there, or whoever you equally identify as the Baba when the speaker was removed.
Yeah, but
no. The Baba was there. The Baba was there before.
But after the speaker was removed,
the Baba was there before January 13th.
No, after the speaker was removed,
that's to show that
the what is it called? The consensus was we'll bring Obasa back. I had gotten intel that Obasa was going to be brought back because the powers that be said they wanted him back, and they've succeeded.
Irrespective of whatever, the fact that January 13, Obasa was unanimously removed, that Obasa was even sweating like Christmas goats, moving up and down, rocking the boat, finding every means of getting himself back to show that it's not the issue of Obasa. But the only disappointment that we had was that they lean everything behind the party, that because of party supremacy, that they have to find a way of saving his political career, that he has served the house for close to a decade, and the only thing they can do for him is to allow him come back, resign. To us, that is the height of the disappointment that we have as a group. That is a shame. And insult, and we as Lagos indigenes, because the Renaissance is a socio-cultural group that we believe that indigenes in Lagos State have been deeply marginalized, that we are not at the aims of affairs in the state. The governor, not from Lagos, deputy, not from Lagos, the speaker. And that was where we became jubilant. When Miranda...
Is party supremacy not Baba Sokpe?
Party supremacy...
is it not another name for Baba Sokpe?
When you say Baba Sokpe, I don't have any issue with Baba Sokpe. What we are saying is that what happened yesterday, why we became jubilant about Miranda was that Miranda is at least is from Lagos, not even from Lagos, from the royal blood runs in her. We believe that it's going to balance our hue and cry for some time.
Mr. Eleto,
that indigenous in Lagos State have been marginalized.
Let me ask you two questions, roll into one very quickly. Number one is this. You say you're disappointed at these speakers, but you also say they stood up in January 13. Moving forward, do you have a different means of evaluating the people you support as politicians, either as speakers, governor, or anything? Then the other thing is your group is interested in the marginalization of Lagosians. Do you have a different vision for Lagos, or you just want to be at the aims of affair? Are you just interested in taking position, or do you have a different view of Lagos?
Well, we are not. We have a very different view. That from 1999 till date, if you are going to evaluate the amount of money that this state is making, we are not supposed to be here, and everybody will agree with us that if we look at the amount Lagos State generates in terms of internally generated revenue, and if this money is spent judicious in actually for the development of this state, of course, we are not going to be here. So as a group, and we believe that one of the reasons that is causing this underdevelopment of the state is because most people who are administering our revenue, they are not from this state. They pack the money from this state and take it to their home state to develop. One of the closest example is Senator Olamide Konyayi, who was 3 times senator in Lagos West. While he was in Lagos West, he was busy developing Ogun West. I don't know. Even in his third term, he was in Lagos West here. He abandoned.
Do you have proof for that?
He abandoned. No, of course. No, all the even. I am going to even say this. When Federal Polytechnic Ilaro was going to be upgraded to university, who moved the motion in the house? It is the same Lagos West senator. And did not even move motion that I don't know College of Education, who is even in his constituency, should be upgraded to university. But he moved motion that Federal Polytechnic Ilaro should be upgraded to university. What is his business with Ilaro when he was actually representing Lagos State? So what we are saying is that
your position is very
clear.
So
what we are saying is that Lagos State will have developed more than this
if
we have indigenous, true Lagosians at the end of affairs.
As we wrap up, what you're saying is you want the indigenous to take over Lagos.
Let the indigenous take over the state. It is constitutional. We are not just sentimental, because indigenous are the indigenous of Edo are those controlling their affairs in Edo State. Indigenous of Kwara are the ones in Kwara. Why not the indigenous of Lagos State?
Indigenous of where are the ones controlling the affairs in Lagos?
Mostly we have mostly from Osun and Ogun. And that's why we say Akonde, we have the guts to come to Lagos and resolve political issues. So when they have unresolved political issues in their state, the same thing with Shegun Oshoba, and I know a lot of them. What is happening to our own elders in the state? Can they resolve issues in the state? We are just being seen as what? As second-class citizens in our state. That we don't have any voice of our own, that we are captured, that we are slaves, and we have been colonized already. So that's why we are saying that enough is enough. In 2027, give us governor, deputy, speaker, secretary to the state government, head of service, and see whether within 4 years we will not develop this state like Dubai.